Hello. So you've decided to organize your trunk and have realized that there are many varieties of trunk organizers on the market. The majority of them have the same issue. See the problem? Then DuraBins is your best organizing solution. Equipped with a unique net that covers the entire organizer, your items will stay safe and secured. In addition to adhesive pads, which helps to keep your organizer stable on carpeting, we also provide attachable rubber pads. The pads work great to keep the organizer from sliding on metal, plastic, and other trunk materials. Now that's how an organizer should sit. Got a truck or SUV? Don't worry, we kept you in mind. With our stainless steel carabiner hooks and belt system, you can ensure that the organizer stays in place no matter what you are transporting. We make sure to use only the best fabric and materials in our production. The base is sturdy, durable, and waterproof. The organizer is foldable and includes removable compartment dividers to meet your storage needs. Once you hold our DuraBins trunk organizer, you will see why we are a cut above the rest. With a total of 16 improvements over our competitors, we are so confident in our product that we even offer a lifetime warranty. Thank you for choosing DuraBins for your organizing needs.
Get greater range of motion in confined areas with the Aries 3-piece Impact Universal Joint Set for impact wrenches. These tough impact-grade adapters are constructed from high-strength premium chromoly steel and have a manganese phosphate finish to resist corrosion. Spring-loaded detent balls latch securely onto each socket, and the through hole in the drive end locks firmly onto the drive tang. The set includes a 1/4 inch, a 3/8 inch, and a 1/2 inch drive U-joint socket. They feature laser-etched markings for quick and easy identification. With an innovative spherical ball design that distributes torque loads evenly over a greater surface area, the adapters are significantly stronger over their lifetime and won't bind up like other traditional swivel-style universal joints. These universal joints meet and exceed ANSI and ASME standards and are compatible with all cordless, electric, and pneumatic impact wrenches. For easier access to hard-to-reach areas, add the Aries 3-piece Impact Universal Joint Set to your go-to tools.
For a better grip on pipes, nuts, and bolts, nothing compares to Cobra water pump pliers from Knipex. The unique self-locking adjustment and induction-hardened gripping teeth means that once it's set, it stays. There is no slipping and no need to waste strength squeezing the pliers, ensuring operator safety and faster, more efficient work. A simple push of the patented push-button adjustment maintains jaw size setting and gives you the correct size opening every time. Just position the upper jaw to the workpiece, push the button, adjust the opening, and close the lower jaw. It's that simple. And it's easily done with just one hand for trouble-free operation in confined spaces. The reliable Knipex Cobra Series high-tech water pump pliers are specially designed and manufactured from special chrome vanadium electric steel. This innovative high-alloy, oil-hardened tempered steel makes the tool lightweight, yet stronger and long-lasting. Cobra pliers feature a thin head design to fit into places others don't, so there's no need to change tools when working in tight spaces. While other pliers' jaws are either flat or round, Cobra's unique jaw configuration can grip any shape object, flat, round, hex, or square. It's one tool that does the job of two.
Gear Wrench presents Bolt Biter, the toughest extraction socket ever. Bolt Biter uses an innovative design of tapered flutes to grip any fastener no matter how damaged. This revolutionary gripping design disengages from the fastener just as easily as it seats into place, which means no more fighting to remove the socket and no more jamming your socket with a ruined fastener. Bolt Biter even works in both directions, so you can tighten and reuse specialty fasteners in a pinch. Nothing can stop Bolt Biter's grip. Grab the most damaged fasteners with our minus size sockets, designed to hug fasteners worn down below their original size. Traditional extraction sockets dull over time. Bolt Biter lasts 10 times longer than the competition under impact power and carries our lifetime warranty. Forge ahead with Bolt Biter.
To work in tight spaces, you need precise and flexible tools. Discover the new 100-tooth ratcheting wrench from Capri Tools. Enjoy its ultra-smooth mechanism with only 3.6-degree swing arc. By applying short strokes, you can work quickly and efficiently, even in cramped working conditions. The flex head lets you swiftly navigate around any corner and the oddest of angles. Moreover, the 12-point wave drive helps you work closer to the obstructions. The open end features an anti-slip groove that prevents slide-offs while working. Choose between metric or imperial system tool sets. Exceptional engineering, highest performance. Capri Tools, the benchmark of excellence. People, passion, quality.